Bye-bye. I need to go home. I need to rest. Look, I want to see your eyes. Your eyes so beautiful. Green, blue. Huh? May I see? Again. Oh, beautiful eyes. Chubby. Bye-bye. I will go home. Your face is so sweet and so friendly. How about this one? The eyes. May I see? Oh, may I see the eyes? Oreo? Oreo, may I see your eyes? May I see your eyes? Me? Oh, green. You're also kind. But it's snobbish, but I think you're also kind. Your eyes of Chubby and you is the same. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I will go home. Bye-bye.